Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ce 14e épisode du Let's Play Enderal. La dernière fois, on avait enquêté sur une pierre noire qui, d'après nos informations préliminaires, était en possession des Apothicari. C'est une ligue de guérisseurs d'Enderal. Mais après enquête, apparemment, ils en avaient pas avec eux. Mais Kalia est venu nous rejoindre pour nous dire qu'un certain Dalgalar en aurait une. Dalgalar, c'est un guérisseur assez connu, assez réputé, mais pas forcément dans le bon sens du terme, parce que il avait des pratiques, disons, un peu atypiques et plutôt controversées. Donc on s'est rendu à son château, on a enquêté, et j'avoue que j'étais un peu sur le cul quand on a découvert le fin mot de l'histoire. Donc je vous rappelle que Kalia a une espèce de don un peu spécial. Elle semble possédée par un démon qui, au moindre signe d'inattention, prend le dessus et peut la faire complètement vriller. Et apparemment ce serait à cause de ce fameux Dalgalar. Kalia serait en vérité la fille de Dalgalar. La fille présumée morte qu'il aurait, avec tout un tas d'expériences, essayé de ramener à la vie. Et grâce à cette fameuse pierre noire, il a réussi à fusionner l'essence de la pierre noire à l'intérieur de Kalia et la ramener à la vie. Ce qui expliquerait ce fameux démon qui se trouve en elle. Vraiment, c'est une histoire de fou furieux. Et ça explique beaucoup de choses sur Kalia. Mais ça s'en soulève encore d'autres. Parce que lors d'une vision, on a vu réapparaître la femme voilée. Et donc elle serait aussi liée à cette histoire. Dans quelle mesure ça reste encore un mystère. Mais ce qui est sûr, c'est que la femme voilée gère tout un tas de choses. Et c'est assez mystérieux. Donc là, on vient rendre visite à Kalia pour prendre des nouvelles. Hey Kalia?
Yes? Is it important? If not, please go away. I'm not in the mood for company.
Je voulais juste voir comment vous teniez le coup. Vous savez, après ce qui est arrivé dans le château.
Saira, what part of I'm not in the mood for company don't you understand? Please, just leave me alone, okay?
Écoutez Kalia, s'il y a quelque chose que je peux faire, faites-le moi savoir.
What? I don't need your pampering, your pity, or whatever it is you came here to do. I just want to be left alone. But you just don't get that, do you? You always come to me like a bloody dog. Why, Saira? Why are you the only one who can't see me for what I am? All the others can, so what's the deal with you?
Mais c'est horrible ce qu'elle dit. Moi je la vois exactement comme elle est. C'est-à-dire pas un monstre. C'est au sujet de ce qui est arrivé dans la bibliothèque des Dalgalar, n'est-ce pas?
No, it's about you being either incredibly blind or incredibly naive. I'm a monster, damn it, a bloody abomination. And here you are, acting as if you are the only one who knows better. That's such a joke. The biggest joke since Starfall, and also the worst one. Back in old Dothelgrad, when I killed that bandit, do you have the slightest idea what my first impulse was when I was done with him? The blood on your face, how helpless you are lying there. And I would have enjoyed every moment of it.
Mais vous ne l'avez pas fait. C'est ce qui compte.
Is it? So an army of undead is harmless until they massacre the city they are marching towards? You just have no idea. No idea how hard it is to always fight back. To not give in. All that, Why, Saira? Why do I have to be this way? I never asked to be brought back from the dead. I never wanted to become my father's failed experiment. And I never asked to have this perversion put in my head, which seems to be all that bloody defines me. Maybe I should just stop fighting it. Maybe that thing I became in the castle is my true face. And all of this is just a part of a mask that I try to trick myself into believing is real.
C'est dur ce qu'elle dit là. Putain. Donc ça c'est un peu la réponse dure. Et ça c'est la version douce. Oui, vous avez perdu le contrôle. Mais ce que vous dites n'est pas vrai. Vous n'êtes pas un monstre.
Yes, it is, Saira. I'm a danger to everyone around me, and I was a fool to believe you could change who you are. You can't. Maybe I should just leave. Go somewhere where I'm by myself. Maybe that way I could prevent this thing from ever hurting anyone else ever again.
Écoutez, Kalia. Vous faites beaucoup de bien ici. Ne partez pas.
I need some space now, okay? Please just give me some time.
Aïe aïe aïe. C'est horrible de la voir comme ça. C'est totalement compréhensible. Ça doit être quelque chose d'horrible à vivre. Moi je veux pas qu'elle parte. Moi je l'aime bien. Je trouve que c'est vraiment une personne droite, juste, qui est juste accablée par une force occulte. C'est même pas sa faute. Bref. Donc là on va rejoindre l'archimagistère. J'ai toujours un problème avec son prénom, son nom. Je crois que c'est Lexil Miragil. On va lui transmettre les pierres noires qu'on a récupérées. Ah bah je les ai toutes récupérées. Donc à propos de la pierre des Dalvarek.
Oh, by the righteous path. His own sister? Oh, I'd heard about those murders. It's cruel, truly cruel. Why in blazes are the High Ones doing this? I think and I think, but I just can't find an answer.
Ouais, je sais pas, c'est compliqué à dire. Peut-être qu'ils y prennent du plaisir. On aurait dit que oui quand je les ai rencontrés.
Maybe. Anyhow, let's see if we were right.
On va pouvoir aller rejoindre Jespar.
What the?
Bah, c'est bien ça. Ça a l'air de fonctionner.
Fascinating. Truly fascinating.
Qu'est-ce qui vient de se passer?
Well, exactly what we thought would happen, I'd wager. The stone connected with the beacon. And what a connection it was. I've never seen such energy, let alone felt it. But be that as it may, half a chicken doesn't make a cake. We still need 2 more stones.
Oui, effectivement.
Yes?
Eh, oh, te barre pas. On a une autre pierre provenant du château d'Algalar.
Here you go looking for a stone, and you simultaneously solve an Endralean mystery. Good work. I had read theories about what happened to the Count, but this is not what I had imagined. I wonder what became of that girl.
Oui, nous aussi on se demande.
Stones really was banished into her body. Just look at it, it's somehow duller than the others. But still, it shouldn't make a difference.
Bon, tant mieux.
At least all that suffering wasn't in vain. Let us insert the stone.
Bien dit.
An outlander. What are you doing in this
Tu
part
veux
of
pas
the
mettre
city?
l'autre pierre?
Shouldn't you be, I don't know,
Bon.
somewhere else?
Oui, il y a un autre truc que je vous ai pas dit. Entre cette
An
vidéo
outlander.
et la précédente, j'ai pas mal joué sans enregistrer.
I don't know, somewhere
Et
else.
voilà, on a une nouvelle armure qui est plutôt sympa. J'ai amélioré plein de
This is a better
compétences.
place for all that energy to be than in the hands of some poor souls the High Ones are looking to poison. Only one more stone to go now, Prophet.
Donc j'ai amélioré plein de compétences, j'ai fait plein de quêtes secondaires. Donc voilà. Mais vous avez rien loupé de très très intéressant. En tout cas pour la trame principale. Et c'est ce qui compte le plus.
Hello.
Donc vous aviez raison au sujet de Keteron Dalgeis. Il avait un fils et...
Oh my, that is horrible. I knew Dalgais wasn't exactly a paragon of virtue, but to abandon one's son simply because... I will never understand those sorts of people.
Ouais, c'est vraiment un connard.
This tragedy tells us we were right about our theory regarding the stones.
Donc vous pensez que les éthérés en sont responsables? Qui parlaient à travers la pierre et ont forcé Rhinus à faire ce qu'il a fait?
To destroy the village and make this boy suffer, that is perfidious, truly perfidious. At least we now have all the stones. Let us complete the mosaic.
Est-ce que ça va activer la balise? Waouh. Mais il est où?
Left path, what power! If we could really direct this, use it against the High Ones, whew, it might work. It just might work. Now are we... Wait a moment. You feel that?
Ressenti quoi?
Something's different. The sea of eventualities. I can't feel it anymore.
Quoi? Vous voulez dire que vous ne pouvez plus lancer de sort? Ce serait à cause de la balise?
No, I don't think so. It's like a veil put in front of my eyes. This doesn't bode well, it truly does not. Shaorin, he's currently trying to raise the barriers.
Des barrières? Quelles barrières?
The ones at the gates. They are meant to magically seal them as a protection against Korak's armies. The walls are nearly impenetrable, but the gates aren't. Sharim said he would raise entropical barriers to take care of that. Quickly, go see him and find out what is going on. I will secure the beacon as best I can. Go!
Oh putain. Est-ce que ça veut dire que moi aussi je peux plus lancer de sort? Je vais juste vérifier un truc. Un truc pas trop... ça. Non, moi, ça fonctionne.
I tell you it won't work. I can't see anything.
But why? That just doesn't make any sense.
Je suis un peu... Est-ce qu'on va voir directement Sharim ou est-ce qu'on passe d'abord au nomade dansant pour voir Jespar?
We have to inform the Grandmaster.
Moi j'ai peur que si on va pas voir Jespar maintenant, on puisse pas le faire après.
My Sir Delina.
Bon, tant pis. On va aller voir Jespar.
Yes. Let's hope he knows what he's doing. Walk blessed.
Ouais, mais on va tomber sur Sharim là. Bah ouais.
The slow thinkers among us. I recognize a magic blockade
Merde.
when I see one.
Bon bah tant pis.
As long as it is active, we can't put up the barrier.
I understand that you're upset, but an order is an order. I'm sorry.
What is going on?
Please.
Thank the sun, Harathiel.
will redeem
I'm trying in
you for your
vain to make this
kindness.
highly intelligent commander of yours understand that these headaches are not arbitrary.
Grandmaster?
Sharim is right, Commander. Something is wrong. We...
Quoi, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Oh putain.
The Nerames are inside the city! They're inside the city, damn it!
Quoi?
Prophet, come here.
Oui. Quoi? Qu'est-ce qu'il y
What's
a?
the meaning of this?
Hop.
The Nerames, they're inside the King's Bay. Their ships, they just appeared. I don't understand.
Oh merde.
They just appeared? Are you trying to tell us that an entire fleet entered our harbor and nobody noticed it?
Of course. They cast an invisibility spell on their fleet. The magical blockade prevented us from recognizing it. Good plan. Thanks to the utterly capable military around here. One that worked out perfectly.
Watch your mouth, wild mage. Nobody...
Come on. It does not matter how it happened. We must act quickly.
Oui, effectivement.
Sharim, is the spell for the barrier of the gates ready?
One at the main gate, yes. Until now, we couldn't cast it because of the blockade. Can I give the signal?
Yes. They want us to panic, but we will not do them the favor. Activate the barrier, then return to us. Soldier, you said that the Nerames have already invaded the city. To what extent?
There. In the 4th district, I think. They overran the harbour gate before we were able to close it. But Sergeant Harlechan has entrenched himself at the gate of the lower district. He won't be able to hold it for long.
Good. Commander, station your soldiers on the battlement and use arrows to keep the Nerames at a distance. Don't let them get close to the market. You, Prophet, will accompany me there.
Caleb.
We will liberate the south quarter and then secure the harbour gate, so that Sharim will be able to place a barrier there as well. At least the heart of the city will be safe then.
You're going to fight?
Yes. Now go.
Aïe, ça c'est beau.
Understood. Soldier, follow me.
Le grand maître du Saint-Ordre qui se bat. Ça on l'a vu.
Good. We need to find Sergeant Harleyan. The soldier said he's in the south quarter. Follow me.
Il reste calme en toutes circonstances. Oh merde.
Bastards. They will pay for this.
Il faut qu'on avance, Taylor. Taylor, on se bouge? Allez, bouge-toi! J'espère qu'on va pas déplorer de mort après cette attaque. Aïe aïe aïe. Qu'est-ce que c'est bon. On y va, t'es alors? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Bon. Il y a un dragon!
Secure the damn gate.
Sergeant Harleyan.
Who? Grandmaster Aramthiel. It is an honor.
The honor is mine.
Bon, il faut peut-être qu'on accélère là.
Dozens of Nerames are behind this gate and they're setting up rams.
Then we will stop them. We have to secure the harbor gate at all costs. Once we have done that, our mages will seal the gate. This is all of you, I take it?
For now,
On est que ça?
but reinforcements are on the way. I forgive my failure, Master. We should have seen it coming, but everything just happened so quickly.
Right now, come on. We march out. Every second we wait will help the enemy.
Yes, sir. Guard, the Grand Master is relying on us, and so is Malthus. Live up to your names.
Yes, sir!
Go!
Do as the Grandmaster says. He's the only one who can save us now.
Aïe aïe aïe, quelle violence! Ah merde! Comment on fait? Putain, il y a vraiment un dragon, j'ai pas rêvé.
It's jammed, Sergeant! What are you talking about?
Is it possible that the Narimes have sabotaged the mechanism?
Sabotage? Yes, of course, that must be it. What can...
The locking mechanisms of the gate are on both sides of the wall, correct?
Il y a vraiment un dragon.
Yes, Master, that's right.
Good. Prophet, you and I will fix the cranks.
Ok.
Sergeant, in the meantime, you and your men will keep the Narimes off the gate. When we are finished, we will give the signal for retreat. Understood?
Yes, Master, of course. Get it. Elma, prepare the camp. Let's show the bastards what it means to defy the Lightborn. We will await your signal, Grandmaster. May his light guide you.
And you. Follow me, Prophet.
Allons-y. C'est par là qu'il faut aller?
Well then, there are two cranks with which the portcullis is controlled. One can be reached by following the left hallway, the other one is to the right.
Ok, on va se séparer.
We do not know if the Narimes have already sabotaged both mechanisms, but I suppose so. You take the left crank, I will take the one on the right. Once that is done, you will return to the city gate. Understood?
Compris. Et si les Nariméens ont déjà entièrement détruit le mécanisme, il se passera quoi?
I'm sure they're trying their best to do just that, but it will take time. The defense mechanisms of Ark are more than solid. Let's not push our luck, however. Go.
Hurry up, damn it.
I am hurrying.
Attends, il faut que j'aille par où? Porte est barricadée. C'est par là que je dois aller, ok. Quoi?
For freedom!
There they are. Get Nara, prepare the fire spitter.
Thou art my life, my shield, your...
Fire!
Ok. Oh merde.
Fun.
C'est bon. Et je sens qu'ils vont se faire massacrer. On va arriver, il n'y aura plus personne. Mais franchement, un grand respect à Théalore. C'est le grand maître du Saint-Ordre. Il a pas peur de se mouiller. Il va tout seul à l'attaque. Il mérite bien sa place de grand maître. Vraiment. Oh non! On va pas pouvoir passer. Putain. Mais t'es alors? Il est où? Enfoiré. Oh merde. Bon. Ils ont fait leur boulot. Hein. T'es alors? Hein. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? J'arrive.
Well, suppose reconquering the gate didn't go as well as planned, did it? What happened here?
Nothing. Secure the gate.
As you wish.
Il y a encore un dragon dans le ciel.
However, seems we have a visitor.
Vous parlez du dragon?
I must confess, I am surprised.
Ah, Taranor.
Look at these poor fools, trusted you until the end. It seems you still value human life as little as you did back in Kira. How many people was it around you? I have forgotten.
Wise words from the mouth of a warmonger.
Oh, so that is what I am to you. If I remember correctly, it was you who refused to negotiate. You might not believe it, but I enjoy this no more than you do. Hence, one more time, Eranthiel, surrender. Your so-called army is a joke compared to mine, and it is merely a matter of time until we find a way into the city. So, for once in your life, make the right call and end this conflict before it gets even bloodier than it is now.
Well said, Kalarik. So, what do you expect us to do now? Rest in your wisdom? Kneel before you?
Yaslan Sharim, how disappointing to see you here. All your life you have fought religion and its tentacles, and now you fight for it.
I fight for something called common sense. You should try it sometime.
As I said, Eranthiel, last chance. Stop working on the beacon, and no one will be harmed. The cleansing has to happen, and you will not stop it.
Trust me, I will. Now, is that all?
It is. It is. Elmer, line up the prisoners. I want to see each one of them crucified before nightfall. And then inform the troops. Every Endralean will be killed on sight.
Understood.
What?
Religion is a sickness, Eranthiel. And it is the cause of pretty much all the evil that has happened in this world over the past millennia. Your son saw that too, unlike you, but he also made a fatal mistake. To believe that the death of the Lightborn was going to change things. But they were just a symptom, not the cause of the sickness. The cause is religiosity itself, this particular way of thinking.
Même si c'était vrai, condamner des gens simplement parce qu'ils sont nés dans le mauvais pays n'aidera personne.
I am not executing them for their country, but because their way of thinking has been corrupted. And despite what you might think, I do not enjoy this. Religious people choose irrationality above reason, and dogmas above free thinking. They turn themselves into puppets, and by doing this, they are responsible too. And your behavior, Aranthiel, is the last proof I needed. Believe me, I wish there were another way, but you have shown me that there isn't. The High Ones will never elevate us until the ulcer of religiosity has been torn from every single head in this world. I've tried the peaceful way, but you don't seem to want it. Now live with the consequences. By the way, it's good to see that you have survived. What's about to happen now is your fault, Aranthiel. Don't even try to convince yourself otherwise.
Take this. We need to go back to the temple.
Pourquoi est-ce que vous n'avez pas aidé Reljan et le garde?
And lead that entropist right into the city. Their death was necessary. It was an honor for them.
Est-ce que Ark est en sécurité maintenant?
As soon as Sharim and the Arcanists have cast the seal on the door, it will be as safe as it can get, yes. But let us talk in the temple.
Alors qu'est-ce qu'on fait maintenant?
We will proceed as planned. Light the beacon as soon as possible. That is all that matters. Sharim, how long do you need to seal the gate?
Give us an hour.
Good. Be quick about it. Guardsmen, what is the situation in the other districts? Are all of the intruders dead?
Yes, Grand Master. Some of the infiltrators have fled into the sewers, but we're in pursuit.
Good. Tell the commander that I want all corpses to be disposed of before night falls, and let the repairs start as soon as possible. We are protected from intruders, but we have to beware of a panicking crowd inside. Then tell her to place archers and fire breathers on every battlement. Their Arcanists will try to break the seals, but we won't let them.
Understood, Grand Master.
Now then, let us go.
J'aimerais bien aller voir si Jespar a survécu à tout ça. Je peux peut-être le faire encore. Quoi? Je suis bloqué. Je crois qu'on n'a pas le choix que d'aller au temple. Tant pis.
You are well.
What happened to Jorek? And why in blazes do you stand around like bloody waxwork figures?
Jorek has betrayed us, Steel.
What?
He has revealed the locations of our scouting posts to Korek's army. That's why we didn't see their ships coming. A keeper has caught him talking to Korek through one of the silver plates. And don't worry, he's only unconscious.
Oh, le fils de pute.
Commander, get him out of here.
Of course, Grandmaster. Where should I take him?
Anywhere, for heck's sake! We will deal with him later. This is not a case for the Tribunal.
Very well, Grandmaster.
What is the status of the beacon? Where is Marajor?
At the beacon. And there is a problem with your machine. But that's something they should tell you themselves. Now, excuse me, the entire city is in panic. The people expect an explanation.
Then give them one. Follow me, Prophet. To the beacon.
Ok. Enfoiré. Jorek, c'est celui qui nous a fait passer l'épreuve pour devenir gardien.
I don't care, damn it. Just do it.
J'ai toujours trouvé un peu con d'ailleurs. Mais je pensais qu'il était doué du sens de l'honneur et de la fidélité. Apparemment non. Il faut faire confiance à personne.
Well, if you say so, then I guess we have to get used to the idea that our machine will not glow anytime soon.
What are you talking about? We have the stones.
Breakfast. Yes, that is right. We have the stones, and they give the beacon the energy it needs, as we had assumed. But
This crystal in the middle of the cross. It is the core of the machine, the Numinos.
So,
the Numinos is empty, Master. That's why it is so dark. If we were to ignite the beacon now, its energy would be emitted aimlessly, with devastating results.
An explosion, to be precise. An enormous one.
Ah putain. Donc ça signifie que nous avons travaillé avec une énorme poudrière pendant tout ce temps.
No, it's more than that. The beacon can defeat the High Ones. The more we learn about it, the more certain we become. However, it needs a target, a kind of focal point. And if we ignite it without one, things will become very uncomfortable.
Et on ne l'avait pas encore remarqué?
Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of experience in building Pyrean machines. So, yes, indeed, we had not noticed it before.
Bon, ça signifie que sans le Luminos, la balise est inutile.
So it seems, yes.
I'm very sorry, Master. We should have seen it
as soon as possible.
Yes, and before you ask, we don't know yet what the Numinos actually is, and neither do we know where.
Putain, on est vraiment dans la merde.
But we will find a way. Give us a week, maybe two, and there will be results, I assure you.
Then begin. Prophet, get some rest. You will need it.
D'accord.
Oh my, such chaos.
Est-ce que vous savez ce qui est arrivé au maître des sceaux Barthar? L'être Chessa a dit qu'il nous avait trahis.
Yes, he did. Even though he was one of the closest confidants of the Grand Master, I don't know what to say.
Est-ce que nous savons au moins pourquoi il a fait ça?
Not really. It was no secret that he regarded the Grand Master's actions against the Neremes as careless. He does not seem to understand that the beacon is our only chance.
Mais c'est quoi tous ces gens qui croient pas en la balise là? Est-ce que je peux vous aider à trouver ce Numinos?
Yes, I think so. But right now we can't do anything but read the writings from old Dothu Grad for the upteenth time, hoping for some clue we might have missed before.
Bon bah je vais vous laisser bosser. Hein. Voilà, la seule chose à faire maintenant est de chercher le Luminos et espérer que les Nériméens n'entrent plus dans la ville avant quoi.
Yes, I guess. You should take a rest. I was told what you did to secure the gate. We'll call you as soon as we need your help.
Très bien.
Huh? What do you want?
Ouais. Ouais, ah, ça je veux bien. Assister à l'interrogatoire de Jorek. Je veux voir qu'est-ce qu'il a à dire. Donc, on va aller dans le sanctum. On est vraiment dans la merde. On est entouré par les Nériméens et la balise n'est pas en état de fonctionner. C'est par où?
Greetings.
My sir.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Ça doit être là.
The Grand Master and the Truchessa do not want to be disturbed. I'm sorry, brother, but good work in the harbor, really.
Non mais...
One more time. Why did you kill Pegast?
I didn't kill her.
C'est lui qui l'a tué.
How often do I have to tell you that?
The Prophet found a bottle of cap dust near her body. How do you explain that?
Well, maybe there are thousands of dust addicts in the city, and not just me. Damn it. Yes, I gave Korek the locations of our outposts, but I had nothing to do with the death of that woman.
Then at least tell us who else Korek bought. Who hired the mercenaries in Old Rashengrad?
I don't know. And even if I did, I wouldn't tell you. And do you know why? Because this war is madness, Teal'c. It is madness. It is unnecessary. And you are too fucking blind to see it.
I am blind? Which of us is the traitor? Which of us is responsible for the deaths of hundreds and hundreds of people?
Let's stick to the point. Accusations lead us nowhere.
A word of wisdom from your mouth, Natara. Bravo.
Pity that your wisdom doesn't go beyond words. Weren't you always the most determined of the three of us? For 3 decades you led this country, and you never showed any weakness.
But no. As soon as the grand, presumed dead Teal'c Ranthiel returns, all you do is bow and scrape. Why, Natara? Have you too come to believe that pile of scrap metal out there can save us? Whatever that's supposed to look like. Or do you do it because Teal'c warmed your bed back in the day?
You are only making it worse.
Oh, am I? You are so bloody blind. Blind and stupid. Both of you. Don't you realize how much of a fool this Korek really is? His only condition for peace was that we would stop rebuilding some ancient machine. What would that have cost us? Nothing. But no, Teal'c. To you, this fantasy of cycles and high ones is more important. More important than anything else. Damn it, even your own people.
Fantasy. So you still believe that the threat is not real? After all that has happened?
I don't know. I'm a warrior, not a sage. But even if it is real, what I do know is that we can only lose this war, and that we will dig more graves with each day we wage it. Up here we are safe, yes, but what about the villages, the farmers? Don't get me wrong, Teal'c. I know what I did. But sometimes a quick cut is better than bleeding out slowly. Korek would have conquered the city. We would have surrendered. And maybe he would have even shown mercy. But it's too late for that now.
No. You didn't do this for our country or our people. You did it because you wanted to save your own skin. Nothing more and nothing less. And yes, Jorek, maybe you are right. Maybe we can't win this war. But that doesn't mean I will surrender. Because I have something that you don't. Principles. You don't have any. You have nothing but your bottle of booze and your bloody dust. You are a hollow man, without talent. And the only reason you are here, and not in the alleys of the Undercity, is your bloodline.
Putain.
And now people are dead, all because of your cowardice. Do not think I will ignore that for old time's sake. I will count to 3. Who else has Korek bought? 1.
Now aren't you a tough guy, Teal'c?
2.
What I did was right. One day you'll realize this too. And then you will be ashamed for you just...
Teal'c.
We are done here.
On s'éclipse, on s'éclipse. Oi oi oi.
The fabled prodigy. I hope you can live up to what they say about you. I really do.
Maintenant, on va essayer d'aller voir Jespar. On va essayer parce que apparemment la ville est plus trop praticable. Si, c'est bon, on peut encore se déplacer. Ça va, le nomade dansant a l'air d'avoir été épargné. Oh, mais ça va. Je m'imaginais pire. Bon. Les gens ont toujours l'air en vie, à peu près heureux. Excusez-moi. Est-ce que vous auriez vu mon ami grand, cheveux gris, yeux vert d'eau?
Ah, that pretty boy, you mean? Aye, I did. A couple of hours ago. Drank like there's no tomorrow, I tell ya.
D'accord. Une idée de l'endroit où il est allé?
No. Why would I? People don't usually check out here before they go. But if I was you, I'd go take a look at the other taverns round here.
Il va falloir que je fasse le tour des tavernes.
He sure didn't look like he was done drinking.
Is it important?
Intéressant. Excusez-moi.
Bloody rats, eating the last penny right out your pocket.
Now look at that. If that isn't the Holy Prophet. What are you doing here? Looking for some fun?
S'il vous plaît, on a besoin d'avoir une discussion. Déguerpissez.
Hey, but we were just getting started.
Allez, on sort.
You are way too serious sometimes, you know that? There are times when you just have to indulge.
Il y a une différence entre s'amuser et rouler sous la table.
I am enjoying myself. You should try that for a change, you know. Who knows how much time there's left for that? What are you doing here anyway?
Votre propre sœur a essayé de vous tuer. Je voulais juste savoir si vous aviez besoin de quelqu'un à qui parler.
Ah, right. Talking. Talking is good. Or is it? I forgot.
Vous vous blâmez pour la mort d'Adila, n'est-ce pas? Vous n'arrivez pas à faire face à ce qui s'est passé.
Maybe I can't, yeah. Or maybe I don't give a fuck about Adila. Maybe I don't give a fuck about any of you. And I'm just waiting for the right moment to stab you all in the back. Who knows? That's the great thing about life. You can never tell exactly which way the wind blows.
Qu'est-ce qui va pas, j'espère? Vous n'êtes pas vous-même.
Ah, I'm not? What if what you're seeing here is my true self? Hmm? And if it was, would you still bother pretending to care? Nah, you wouldn't. I think if you really knew me, you'd have been long gone.
Mais c'est quoi tous ces gens qui sont dépressifs là? Où est-ce que vous voulez en venir? Nous sommes amis, ça ne changera pas.
Friends. You just don't want to get it, do you?
Quoi?
Let me think how I can make myself more clear.
Qu'est-ce que tu vas me dire là, j'espère? J'ai peur.
3 words. I don't care. I don't care where my jobs come from and what I have to do as long as I'm getting paid. I don't care if the beggar in the front of the tavern eats his own shit as long as I can enjoy my beer inside. And I don't care if people who think they're important to me kick the fucking bucket because I just don't care.
Bah tu vois, je te crois pas.
Adila's dead? Fuck it. At least that means there's no one around anymore who knows what I really am. Alicia. She was the first one. I took what I wanted from her, And when it got too tiresome, I just left her behind. Like all the others, before and after her.
C'est les éthérés qui sont responsables de la mort d'Adila, pas vous.
The High Ones. Yeah, those goddamn High Ones. When those thugs killed our family, she was so hurt, so lost, you know? But do you think I did anything to help her? All I cared about was myself. What Adila did, what she became, that didn't just happen overnight. I always felt that something was wrong with her, how she kept on withdrawing from the outside world, reading all these stupid books my father always read. But I never went to see her. I never wrote her. And you know why? Not because there wasn't time for it. Not because I couldn't cope with it myself. I didn't because I couldn't be bothered. Couldn't bother with her moodiness. Didn't bother with all the drama. I just couldn't care less. Just as I didn't give a fuck about Lycia.
Lysia voulait quelque chose que vous ne pouviez lui donner. C'est ce que vous m'avez dit.
We were on a mission in Golden Forest, and had just set up camp for the night. That was a couple of nights after we realized that we had different expectations, so to speak. I went to get firewood, and when I came back, there were half a dozen bandits in the camp. Lycia was out cold. She was still alive. I saw it. She was alive, but I just ran. I just turned around and fucking ran.
Putain. Qu'est-ce que les bandits lui ont fait?
I don't know. I never went back. Never.
Mais pourquoi?
Why? Because I never gave a shit about people, even if they were deluded enough to think otherwise. It's just like Adila said. My life revolves around one thing, and that is me. Jaspar. The navel of the fucking universe.
Nous faisons tous des erreurs. Apprendre d'elle, c'est ça la vraie épreuve.
Tell that to Lycia. Do you think it was any different with us? I saw you and felt there'd be money in helping you. And if that Korak had offered me my life against yours, do you think I would even think twice? You think we're friends, or whatever, but we aren't.
Tout ça a cessé d'être lucratif depuis longtemps et vous le savez. Vous êtes encore ici parce que vous croyez en notre mission.
If that's what you want to believe, go ahead. You think I'm something that I'm not. Something I never was. I'm a sellsword, not one of the good guys. And you think that you know me, but you don't. Adila and Lycia, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Now, please, just go, okay? I need to get away from here. From this city, from these people, from everything.
Ok. On va s'arrêter là pour cette fois-ci. Merci d'avoir regardé l'épisode jusqu'au bout et je vous donne rendez-vous dans le prochain. Allez, à bientôt.